Foxy,
What?
what's happening outside?
Nowhere.
It's snowing!
Yeah.
That's so exciting! How do you feel?
Go.
Woohoo!
The button.
It snowed.
I'll press the button.
Not a lot, but we have some snow. Does Google say there's going to be any more, Alexa?
Alexa said it's going to be like snowy.
Oh, that's exciting.
Snowy, rainy weather.
Let Mummy look and see what the app says. Oh dear. Oh. Norwich, it just says. No, it doesn't say any more snow. Oh no, it says, mate, yeah, it says snow at like 5 o'clock on mine.
Mama.
Exciting. What? Yes, mate?
I want the car.
No, you don't get to do the coal.
I want this.
It's so cold. You want to look at the coal, do you?
They're all the car.
Yeah, Mummy's got more outside. We're going to have a fire because it's too cold. We're going to put the telly on and we're going to have a fire, aren't we?
Yeah.
You sit up there and be snuggly, my man. As I was coming in the door, I just like, you know when you like shut the door on your own foot? Oh my God, it's so, and if I can insert the ring footage of what happened, I will. Oh my God, it hurts so bad, I want to cry. Right there. Oh, shitting fart, shit, fuck. It's okay, Mummy's fine. But I'm gonna get a fire going, so.
I don't want to cry.
I'm not gonna cry, Bubby, I'll be fine. We're gonna get the fire going, aren't we? Keep us warm, yeah? Cuddle?
Come on.
Oh, you wanna look at my foot, do you? Really hurts.
We put a plaster on it.
He likes to put plasters on everything, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, let's get a fire going. The kids have made a trap because they want to trap an elf, don't you?
Yeah.
It's your plan. Ari's in here cuddling a cat. Today completely got away from me. Hi, Bingsy BB. Foxy's in here just eating his dinner. And then we're going to go and have a bath or a shower. Aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's, what time is it? It is 20 past 5. Ben came at like 2 to watch Fox because I had to go and get Mika a little bit early from school to take her to a dental appointment. Got to the dentist appointment and they actually cancelled it, but text my old phone number rather than my new phone number, even though they had both. So they've changed it to next week.
We're in the lava house.
We are in the lava house. So I got some, like a cookie mix and a cupcake mix, and then brought them back here, and then the kids did that with Ben. And then he's gone, they've had their dinner, and we're just gonna get ready for a wind down. So yeah, the day completely got away from me today. My lips are starting to heal, but they're still so sore. I've got dentist tomorrow, which is gonna, anything to do with the dentist always ends up giving me sore cold sores and stuff, so I'm not looking forward to that at all. But yeah, I'm gonna get this boy upstairs, get him washed, and then hopefully get him to bed, and then I should be able to come down hopefully. Me and the girls are gonna watch Strictly.